When a man, when a person wrong, he wrong. None of them not supposed to be born out Sicily. No Jamaican not to come born out Sicily because you don't accept enough man. You don't accept enough man with their slackness out upon social media. Nobody no look up to them. No people no look up to them on the media. A man them with the media tell other man say want to put them fly down and fuck them. You don't accept that though. So how no accept say Sissy in our crab toe suit. Why no want accept that? But you don't prefer accept where a man will come out in the time mouth and look on the next man and tell say want to put him on his knee. I don't accept that, bro. Uno as Jamaican no fi say nothing at all. Nothing at all uno no fi say. Especially uno boy. Especially uno man. Uno no fi say nothing. Cause of views and likes and all. Me no see uno a bust out for nothing, you know. Oh, I no see some of uno a bust out for nothing like how me see uno put down Sicily now, you know. Just one little suit, one little shirt, you know. Them thing they may try to show you how no bias over this blood tweeter, dog. When you no favorite do it, if I did no favorite, you would have a problem with it. You would have a problem with it. But you Sicily and some of no favorite, you have a problem. But you don't accept a man. You don't accept a I'm sure you as Jamaican. You don't accept man where we fuck like a pitney. You don't accept man where we fuck off on the pitney them. When you look a young boy, them so not accept. So why would you not accept Sicily now? Why would you not accept Sicily now? You come out and not try to put down the youth. You not come out and not try to put down the youth. You as Jamaican, brother, you have to go, brother. Because the whole of you are slack me. The whole of you are full of slackness and blood too. You don't go, man. You don't go, man, and come off for a youth name, man. Bombard, have views and likes and run down. Some of you not even mean no now. God has strike. If some of you walk out right now, God strike you because some of you do some silly thing, you know. We come out and burn out people, you know. No fun we come out and burn out the people them. You know do something bad man where I show we phone secret they're not ready for leak, you know, boy. You know go allow people them, brother. That me I telling them that because you know see them and accept them. You know see them one, so we want to come out and burn out certain things you know. And I talk about yo. Enough youth, enough kids look up to you, you know, Sicily. Enough people look up to you, you know. Not enough people look up to no favorite influencer them. Not enough people look up to no favorite influencer them. We no go and allow Sicily, man. The whole of us Jamaican, we are born out the man for go. If you want to like me, no one like me, you know. Juicy, big up. OG, big up. If you don't want to hate me, you don't hate me, you know. It's just the fucking truth, bro. All comes now on a build video I try to put on the youth. All comes down to accept worse and that in Jamaica. All comes down to accept worse and that in Jamaica on a favorite influencer them. When they on TikTok, I tell man say he want to harass them and he want none of you ever build a video come out and about that. No. All I want to sit down in the comment section and grin and laugh. Check your bum buckle for you. Check his screen record. What you do? I unite and laugh and accept it. So why you come out now and go burn out a man? Say a man in a one crab toe suit. Oh yeah, you no favorite, you no accept, you no love it. I love you, no love it. So oh you now come out and talk all about that. That me I talk about. So why you no want come put down the youth for one little shirt? And the whole of you me say you no accept worse than that. And none of you no talk about it. Me see people talk worse than that. None of you no talk about it. What you talk about? What you talk about? You for go, brother. You for go, brother. You as Jamaican and you me see a build video. I talk about a transmission where them think they don't in a Queens or whosoever and oh no accept a man where they pan live and tell a other man say want juke them. Oh no accept that. So oh no come want to say youth a fish now. Oh no want to come and talk about youth and this and youth and that. No go. Look at Jamaican because no for no boy who build video you live some silly life. You live some worse life. But you come out and a class people and a bun people. Uno. But wait man. Uno for go brother. Oh, uno as Jamaican no for say nothing. Because we so no accept some things you no for accept in a brother. Uno accept some things you no for accept in a brother. Uno accept enough things you no for accept. So why uno come out now, a build video and a burn out the youth? Why uno burn out the man them with the on TikTok and tell other man say he want juke them, he want ram them. So why a man put on a little crab toe suit and he hold on a Jamaican, a build video and I try to put down the youth? I want to accept worse than that. I want to accept worse than that. Oh, you come and about no Swiss now. Why you as Jamaican about no Swiss you for go enough? You accept worse than that. You don't. Oh, you as Jamaican you file like a roll out, run out. You file like a run out. Cause you know why? We soon accept worse away. We see happen. A man put on a suit and the whole of uno. I put down pan the youth a contable, youth a fish and youth a that. Oh, no accept. Oh, no favorite. Creator them. Oh, no love. Oh, them can do certain things and when other people do certain things, you don't accept them. But you can accept your favorite content creator. Oh, no accept a man with on live. I tell a man say you want ram him. You want put him on his knee. Oh, no accept that and none of you no build video. And come out, come talk about it, bro. You hold on in the comment section and grin off on the teeth. That you hold on now. So we not class with you for now. We don't allow you bad man. We don't allow you anything what happen up on social media make it happen. Because we don't accept everything from the media. We as Jamaican. So when some Jamaican man come out and come talk about a transmission this and transmission, no go brother. We no go man. Because the whole of the same thing. The whole of don't accept certain things already. So how comes now? It a catch you now not try to burn out it. We no allow you them and go. The whole of you go. You know, a hypocrite, you know, bombard social media people. Especially the Jamaican them. The Jamaican them, we are build video. We are build video about out the fucking man them. Uno we are build video about out the man them. No uno make it cast at it. Who make it cast at it? No uno. Because uno accept worse than that. So uno for go and allow youth. If man want to wear any shirt, man wear it. After I never hear Swissy on live, I show you something. I never hear Swissy on live yet I tell a next man say he want to kiss him and he want to sex him. Never. So as soon as the man wear one little thing, the whole on a build video now about the man. And I say, uno favorite content creator them. People don't look up to them. Youth say no look up to them. And how much school youth look up to them? And them can dip on live. I talk about them want fuck man. And they want put man pan in here and no accept them. You ever build a video about them out? So why you not come burn out that now? You fi accept it, brother. You fi accept it, brother. And one thing you don't know like it shooting, bro. You as Jamaican youths them. And the man them we build video about out the people them. You no like to hear truth. Because you don't accept certain things already. So when you come out and talk for lack of no mouth. Of views the whole of you build video for. You think you no mean what you do? You think you no mean what you do? You no mean what you do. None of you no mean what you do. Accept them, brother. Because you don't accept some. Me so no accept worse. Me so no accept some things you never forget. Accept, bro. So when you come and I contact say. I go on if you go. Bomba. Go on if you go. That's why I hide myself in a bush, you know. I go on if you go, brother. I allow you man alone. Allow Sicily alone and go. The whole of you we are build video for go. Because you don't accept certain things already. I want to cut your people. Hold on until that chain pass. Because you see here. We better go now a minute. Wait till the school chain pass. Because you see you know. Alright, hold on. I go ask you people something. You notice on TikTok? Remember telling you something on TikTok? It's when the people in favorite do something bad, man. The whole of them accept it. They no come out and say nothing, you know. It's when them favorite people they no do. When them favorite people they no do nothing. The whole of them come out and bash them. The whole of them come out and talk against them, brother. I saw me see them stand on the app, bro. So why? Hold on, me ask you a question. None of you never see Swiss come on TikTok yet. And tell a man say what? And tell a man say in the sex them. And a kiss off for nobody. None of you never see that happen yet. The man put on a little shirt and not do him entertainment. Not because three man say about something about poor people is. Bro, none of you know if you come out and say nothing about that. Because me see you no accept some things you no fi accept, brother. So why you come out and you cuss youth? Why you come out and build video on the youth and say youth a fish? Why una build video say youth a fish? And enough for una we a build video a fish. Enough for una we a build video a burn out the youth them a fish. Enough for una, brother. Enough for una we a call the youth fish a fish. Enough for una. Whole heap of una, bro. Whole heap of una, so why una go put down a next youth? We don't see people the worst thing what Sissy have on is nothing, bro. What Sissy do is nothing. So that no make no sense. So now come out, come talk about una do this, and una do that, una do this, and una say that, bro. That is nothing. Because I see man the worst thing for fucking TikTok here. And the whole Bumbuckly Jamaica accept that. None of una never build a video and come out, come burn out that as how me see una do now. None of uno, brother. None of uno, brother. None of uno, brother. So all comes John there. Because you need to scream me card this. You need to scream me card this John over there. If you're there, John. Brother, uno accept, bro. Uno accept enough things uno enough to accept. So uno allow youth alone and go from yourself. Uno allow youth alone and go from yourself. Because I see all on a build video and a burn out Swiftly. The whole on a build video and burn out Swiftly. Say Swiftly are this and Swiftly are that. But one of your favorite content creator, come out. Come out. One of your favorite content creator come out and do any little thing. One of your favorite content creator come out and do anything, the whole on accept you and run with it. None of you no build no video. But as soon as your favorite no come out and do something, you no accept them. You come burn them out, you come put them down to the ground. And enough of you boy we a build video I can talk about say frag this and frag that. Enough of you content creator no the reverse and where that happen. So why you come out and you burn out that now? And you see you Jamaican? On Jamaican man we are born out, I put up video on the same thing. Because when time for no favorite do not bro, no accept it. Me hear man pan live. I tell man say he want put him pan in need 2 man brother. And them a Jamaican, same like how Switzerland a Jamaican, them a Jamaican too. I tell man pan live, say he want put him pan in belly and wanna tell the next one say he want put him pan in back. I don't accept that. And when the screen record go out, I want to see them one, they in a comment section and laugh, dog. So how comes you not go on like say, yo, Uno is this because you know why Uno for Uno come out and Uno say nothing about it? Because I want a favorite fucking content creator them. I want a favorite. See you want to tell me say, no Pitney no look up to them too. See him like how Pitney look up to Switzerland. No Pitney no look up to them, you that we are tell Bumbuckly man say want sex them pan live. Nobody no look up to them too. In most school, Pitney look up to them. The whole high schoolers then look up to them. And at that then they pan live I say. So oh, you no come build a video and say yo, I wanna make a school Pitney them this. So why as a youth wear a crab top, whole on come out and try to put down youth. Uno don't accept enough things already. So why Uno come out and attack now? Why Uno come out and attack now? Uno fi go brother. Accept that. Because one of your favorite come out, brother. One of your favorite come out, you know. And say certain things. And do certain things, you know. Lock on them out. You no can say nothing. But as a man, come out and say something we are not your favorite. You no see a man. I build video and I put them down. And you accept worse and that. You no accept worse and that. And most of you come out and build video. And I try to put down Swissy dog. Me I tell you, brother. You no bias dog. Uno bias because uno go talk about uno accept that. And how much kids look up to Switzerland? How much people look up to Switzerland? How much people look up to uno favorite content creator them? We are tell man pan life say you want damage them. You want put them pan knee. Why uno not talk about them there? Why uno come build video about them there? Why uno come burn out them there? Because you know why uno not burn out them? Because uno is same thing. I want to come and I can go on like you is this straight person. I want to is this. Enough of you want to see. Come out here and burn out the man them you not straight. Enough of you not straight. You we come out and burn out the man them. We are build video and I burn out the man them. Pussy some of you not straight. Enough of you. I guilty some of you guilty you know. I something we wanna do, you know. I wanna see man them on the media do it, you know, and I wanna conscience a bite, you know, pussy hole, you know. Wanna come out and a build video, wanna fi go. Cause I wanna accept nothing, so wanna accept something for media, you know, dog. Me so no accept something for me that one enough to accept, you know. So why wanna come out now and not talk and ask on talk about like so who is this big this and who is big that. When no favorite them come out and do fuck you, no accept them. You know fi go man. That's why I'm telling you, you know. Tap up a scream, good morning. And that's why I'm telling you, you know, you see this thing me, that thing ya, you bill you and break you and the same set of people them bro we bill you, and them same set of person and them a go talk against you. And them a go criticize you. And them a go talk down you bro. That's why I tell you them say bro, when you don't load down on the standard for please nobody pan media. When you don't load down on the self for please nobody pan the media. When you don't load down on the standard for please nobody pan social media. That me I telling you, cause you know why? Look pan Swissly bro, the man in a one little suit brother, and the whole of you come out and una burn out the man dog. And me see man dey pan live, I tell other man say he want to ram them and none of you never come out. Come build a video, you know why? Because I want to favorite that. I choose Swissly enough, some of you favorite. That's how I burn out him and you fi go. Whole of you fi go. Because whole of you is Jamaican. No for you Jamaican boy will come out and build video about you, the same thing. Uno, did you ever hear the man come to media tell a man say he want sex them? Oh, can you say the man a fish? Just because the man wear something to entertain the people on TikTok. That's why I tell the people, you them this bro. Don't load them on the standard for please nobody. Because of them same one bro. When a man come on this bro, and a man a go tell a man say, you want to ram him pan his knee, you want to ram him pan his belly, you no accept it. You know what me say you do? You no laugh about it when the screen record come out. You no laugh about it in the comment section. But you see, as soon as I know your favorite do it, brother, Lord God, you no put them down to the ground, brother. But you can accept your favorite when they do whole heap of fuckery. And that me I try to show you no bias, dog. You no fi go, you no fi accept them. You no accept whole heap of things, you no fi accept. How much thing pan the media you no accept, you no fi accept. How much thing pan the media you